Hey guys, Cascade Hiker here with a weather update. It is hailing really hard. I'm in Gresham, Oregon right now. About 5-7 miles from downtown. As you can see, it looks like it's snowing, kind of. But those are hail balls. If I sound out of breath, it's because I was running back and forth to get my cameras. Well, I accidentally got this one, but I just came up to see what happened. Then I went back down to get my camera. Then I came back up to video it. It seems to be calming down now. See? Just stopped. The sky is kind of clearing up, but I don't think that'll make a difference. Yeah, see? It's hailing again. It is currently 42 degrees. I'll go check the other weather. It says 41 degrees. The cats are here watching. So yeah, it is hailing really hard. Cascade Hiker out.